What is going on, guys? This is our cybersecurity and computer science research funds video. The funds of the monetization of this video go towards cybersecurity research and computer science research, including coding, programming, and more. We want to invest in this stuff. I'm not even sure if it's an investment. It's to better the people as a whole. It's to better the people as a whole. The funds are free, basically. To better the better computers, faster computers, better stuff, better technology. This is also a technology funds video. Anything sort of anything involving technology that needs to be forwarded via funds. We could better it with funds, with research, technology, computer science, programming, coding, and cybersecurity, and more. The funds of the monetization of this video go towards that, basically. This is gonna be a very big video. It's gonna better the people as a whole. The funds are gonna better computers and technology as a whole. Anyway, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.